I think it worked.
I've been waking up, man. It's like 7 in the morning. You boys getting it in early. Easy way to keep your mouth clean out here.
Something better be. Okay, I was over there trying to do the cold here, trying to paddle the water, hit the water.
We having fried worms.
I'm about to tell just kick him out the
Natural
fucking
style,
house.
man. I'm finna feed us some worms. So we came up with an idea to use a condom to fix the river tube, man.
Hey, chemist, can you help me?
What are you looking for?
A pack of Trojans.
Gee, I just ran out.
Where's the pump? We grab the pump.
He's got to get it stuffed down in there.
Yeah, he is. We grab the pump.
Take that,
Where's the pump
that
at?
little stick he had and push that motherfucker down.
Tell me.
You put enough brains together, bro.
For real.
You come up with an idea. We might not even need that under there. All right, that's good.
Stop, Joe.
Let it sit for 10 minutes. We'll find out.
I think it worked. I think that shit worked just now, bro.
Oh shit. That's gonna be tough. Hey.
I've been coming through with the fucking Magnum,
Okay.
son. My fingers feel a little greasy, but that's alright. It's the spermicide.
It's still sitting, man. That's crazy, man.
Look at that. Smart. Yeah.
We got some backup tubes, so it's all good. It's about 9 o'clock. Everybody's just chilling. I've been doing my workout, getting my push-ups in and stuff, you know. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully the river has let up a little bit, man. The river has been, man, it was treacherous yesterday. It was fighting with us the whole time. I had to fight the river the whole time. Everybody flipped over in the river down there. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty adventurous today. Day 2 of the float down the river with my boys, with my gang, you know. Yeah, stay tuned.
Okay, that's good.
Got some beef bacon. While I sit here and talk to the camera.
What the hell?
But yeah, man, so welcome to another episode. Learn the journey, man. We got everybody, we got the gang here, man.
Hey,
We doing some shit that we normally
what
do.
other hot sauces did that come with?
Right now we cooking some chicken.
That's the other one.
I think I got me a new cameraman. Aquaman. That saves the battery when it cut off like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, gotta teach you stuff about a GoPro, man. Just simple knowledge.
Bro, I need the bread to get more feeling.
So, can you tell the people what this is?
I'm fucking around.
Oh, he's fucking around, man. Thought he was doing something special, man.
No, just fucking around.
It's just a creative ass dude, man.
Playing with it.
Look at his shirt.
I was looking at that shit earlier, man. Grateful Dead, bro. In his tie-dye fit. Yeah, what the hell you get that shirt at? Oh.
And the brothers now, man. We gonna do our own hike. See how it go right here by the river. made it to the other side. Alright man, as y'all know, we done had an adventurous trip. Mark flipping off the damn off his float. I flipped off mine first, hit a log, knocked me into the river. We went through a lot of rapids that was crazy, real crazy. I don't know what happened to Jordan's tube. Got a hole in it, tried to fix it with a condom. If you wonder why we had condoms, man, if you don't practice safe sex, then I don't know what to tell you, man. It shouldn't even be that deep. Other than that, man, you know, day 2, we up for something crazy. I don't know, man, just stay tuned. I don't know what we got, man. We're gonna figure out how it goes. Got the base cap.
It looked way different.
Them boys done cook some chicken up. Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
You didn't see all that shit up there. What you got on there? I don't even know. I didn't put it on there.
Say what's up. Alright, so in the middle of packing up, we got a alert about the weather. So yeah. About to be a quick little thunderstorm, so we ain't getting on no water right now. So yeah.
Joe's like, back to square one. Hey.
Alright, we loading up, y'all. So it's about that time,
You gotta put it on.
Alright, it's gone. I'm gonna see right here. I know how to drive this thing.
Yeah, you got a motor.
I need to be going for here. This shit out.
Real lazy to be Jordan, you do need to already be going. I don't know why you get no pants on.
Stay away from that damn stuff. Damn. No stick that can puncture your shit right there.
oh shit. My shit got a hole.
It's a hole in it?
Yes, bro.
Well, hey, check this out. It doesn't really make the shit. Whatever we gotta do, we gotta get down the river. Like I said, y'all gotta be careful with them fucking shit.
Wait, this way.
Huh?
You gotta tie that one to this one before you get down the river.
Alright. Alright.
Be careful. Kneel down. I'm fine.
Alright.
Hey, bro, make sure your paddle tight too now.
Watch yourself. See?
I was gonna say lay on the stomach. So you have more.
Get my GoPro.
I want to put this fucking space off that fucked up and leave me out there maybe.
You said what?
I'll start doing motherfucking.
That shit worked, bro.
Go Friday, go Friday!
Hey, we with the condom, man.
Hold it on.
Hey, you bring it around. I know about everything. What's going on, Rick? You alright? Yeah, man. Damn right. Maintain it, man.
This is it.
Joy got another hole, man. Just got the new float. we pulled over. Got a new float.
I'm trying to tell you, I gotta be careful, man. What you thought you couldn't make it up the stream or something?
Nah, we can make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it with the I paid this down to these people up here.
Oh, yeah.
All the way up there, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did it. This is better. You did it at the right time, but it's a better current. I don't even need my paddle. Oh shit, that's right. Damn, I live in Red Bank. That means you're fucking a meth head. I ain't no meth head to wait up, man. Well.
So yeah, man. Right now, I lost my oar. Whatever this shit called. I don't know nothing about this, y'all, but hey, I'm trying it. I'm definitely trying it. It seems like some cool shit. They getting them a good fish in. Man, Joe leading the pack. Mark and Jordan way back there. Kicking it. I got the GoPro on my chest, so that's why I couldn't really give y'all a good view of like what I was, if y'all wanted to see me or whatever. Look at these nice houses up here, man. Beautiful houses. Something I dream of, man. Living on like a lake or like a river, man. That's some nice living right there. If you ever come out on the river, you trying to do something like this, man, please take it serious. It's really no joke. Like, you can really get hurt. It can really be fatal as well. We had a couple things happen while we was out here too, so just seeing how some mishaps can happen, and we with some veterans, man. So just take heed to what I'm saying, and if you want to come out and enjoy something like this, don't take it for granted. Be on your stuff, and yeah, just come out and have a good time, man. Yeah, jamming over there. I don't know if y'all can hear the music, but I need to anyway. Copyrighted. I said, get it up, 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 get it up. Who was that, Joe? There go Brooks, y'all. he got it made right there. He in a Maybach. We in a Charger. I don't know how to. I'm gonna have to learn the motion.
Like this. You need one of these.
Oh, okay. Appreciate you.
Yeah. Fuck out of here.
You fucking bully. He a bully, y'all. See how he just bullied me? One for the team, though. Cheers.
No.
We wrecked in the middle of the fucking river, man. Yeah, I got insurance. Do you got insurance? That's this shit in the road. Got chopped. Look like he ready to jump off. Crazy ass. Up in the tree?
Yeah, right there. Look at the tree. Hey, that's how high the river up was.
God damn. I don't know if y'all can see right here. But there's a fucking boat up in the fucking tree. That's how high the river was, man. Yeah, so I just learned how to fucking kayak. Man, so I should have been double D's up. I got it now. Hold on. Check me out, y'all. Figured out how to kayak.
So what? Whee! I learned how to do it.
Little practice always helps. We're going through the canal. I'm about to hit Joe in the head with my damn bop. Bop. Get out my way, bro. We're going through the spillway. It's crazy. Got the girl holding the boat.
Good.
All right, how you doing?
Bye, Felicia.
Bless you.
Now they left George.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, definitely, definitely. Yes, ma'am. That's the lady that was up there earlier. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The Vernon Journey.
At the Vernon Journey. The Vernon Journey. VERNON Journey. All right, thank you.
Ow.
Jordan lost his other paddle.
Rookie. The one you had? Yeah, I remember that bitch.
Man, what a trip, man. We started
Mark,
at like
easy way out. You think ugly some did?
9 o'clock yesterday. It's about 5 o'clock now. Man. This water beat you down. What an amazing journey, man.
What's the color?
I'm making them go too fast. I don't want to get back to the landing that fast.
Don't say he ain't ready to get back.
Go ahead. What you do with your stream?
It's right there. No, man, get off of me. Get off of me.
You ain't necessary.
Look at my boy.
I'm making it.
My boy gonna get here, man.
There you go. Mark not so much.
Yeah, Mark ain't get Mark. We gotta work with Mark. Mark, man, that fucker holding on for dear life out there.
Only nigga with a life jacket on.
Oh shit, you straight. Better safe than sorry, man. Ain't nothing wrong with wearing a life jacket. That fuck. He got it made, man. Mark got it made over there.
He's sandbagged. He's done this twice now. Sandbagged up there. He's like, look, watch this.
It's been a good trip, man. We ending this on some dope stuff, you know. Chill,
I need another beer.
BJ,
Where's the beer?
Brooks. Can't thank them boys enough, man. Without them, this shit probably wouldn't be possible. Thanks.
We gotta go.
What's up, y'all?
Hey, that's the house right there, boy.
Yeah, it is.
Haven't got to put the border low turn.
You stupid. We made it. We made it. Man, shout out to my boys. Good shit, Joe. Good shit, bro. Yeah, man. So this is where we ending the trip. You know what I'm saying? Hungry River.
Go right? Yeah. Okay.
So that's how we gonna end this trip, man. Appreciate y'all. It definitely was a new thing for all of us. Well, not all of us, but these guys, my brothers. But go see some more of them, man. Now stay tuned. We locked. Murder journey.